The first time most people open Vim, it feels like the keyboard turned against them. You hit a key and the cursor jumps somewhere weird. You try to type and it beeps at you. So you memorize a few survival commands and you never go deeper. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Vim isn't a pile of shortcuts to memorize. It's a language. And once you see the grammar, the whole thing clicks. Every edit in Vim is a little sentence, a verb, then a motion. The verb is what you want to do. D for delete, C for change, Y for yank, which just means copy. The motion is where W jumps a word, the $sign to the end of the line, the closing brace to the end of the paragraph. Put them together, DW, delete a word. Keep the verb, change the motion. D, then the $sign, and you delete to the end of the line. Keep the motion, change the verb. CW, and instead of deleting the word, you change it. It's gone, and you're already typing the replacement. That's the whole trick. You learn a handful of verbs, a handful of motions, and you compose them. Hundreds of edits out of a dozen keys. That's the idea on paper. Let me show you it's real. Here's the same grammar in a real editor. Same grammar, real code. This is Neovim. Real keystrokes, real results. Watch the bottom of the screen for the keys. DW. The word's gone. D$, everything to the end of the line. Double the verb, DD, and you take the whole line. That doubling trick works for change and yank too. Now CIW, the word disappears and I'm already typing the new one. No separate step. And yank is just copy YY to grab a line, P to drop it below. I'm not recalling commands. I'm saying verb, then motion. And the editor does exactly what I said. Once you see edits as sentences, the grammar keeps paying off. Add a count, D3W, and that deletes 3 words at once. Verb, count, motion. Then text objects. This is where it gets addictive. A motion just moves the cursor. A text object grabs structure. See I quote, changes inside the quotes, no matter where the cursor sits. I means inside. A means around. IW, a word, IP, a paragraph, IT, a tag. And the one that feels like cheating, the dot. After any edit, pressing dot repeats it. Change a word. Foo becomes bar. Then just tap dot to do it again and again. You make the edit once and let the dot carry it. Let's say we need to replace TMP with net. So we do change in word, type net, then we search for next TMP and just press dot to do the last operation. Next dot, and so on. So that's the shift. Stop memorizing commands, start composing sentences. A few verbs, a few motions, text objects and the dot. That's most of Vim's power, and it's a language you can actually speak. The only way it sticks is reps. That's exactly what I built Vimkata for. It drills these motions with instant feedback and scores every keystroke. Links in the description. Start with level 1, basic motions. Next episode we go deep on HJKL and never touching the mouse again. I'm at Devkata. See you there.